this video, we'll practice formatting as table, sorting, and filtering. So here we have Excel 2010. We have a number of different students, Sidine, Kessler, Luongo, and we have some grades. And we have a label, student and grade. What we're going to do is click and drag so that we're highlighting just the information we want, and then go to Format as Table in the Home tab. Click on it. Notice how these are all pre-made, very nicely appearing formats. I'm just going to click on this blue one. It looks pretty nice. And the question here is, does your table have headers? And in this case, we do have headers. Headers are the part where it says student and grade. If you didn't have it, you shouldn't include it. But in this case, we do, so I'm going to click on it and click on OK. So you can see that it looks nice, but it's more than just something that looks nice. What we can do with this is we can actually hit the drop-down arrow here. And when you hit that drop-down arrow, notice how you can actually sort. So if I say sort A to Z, this is sorting alphabetically. And notice how Bieksa, Burroughs, Edler, the B's come before the E's come before the K, and so on. Let's try something else here. I'm going to try sorting Z to A. This is a reverse alphabetical order. So click on that and notice how Sidine is first. And this is great because it's a very quick way of sorting. Now what about filtering? So imagine you have some information here and you want to just temporarily filter out some information. You want to hide Luongo. So I'm going to just hide Luongo, and I'm going to hide Kessler as well. So you can notice how you can just click on these checkboxes, click on OK, and notice how Luongo and Kessler are gone. But the nice thing is that in case they decide to join the team again, we can always, rather than typing it in again, we can always pull up all their information again by clicking on this little drop-down box, and we can add them in again by re-clicking them and then clicking on OK. And they're back. So congratulations, hopefully you have some insight on how to create the format as table. Formatting as a table, which is nice because it has built-in sorting and filtering.